In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your Slack profile. Sharing your profile can be handy, especially when you want to connect with someone new or simply ensure that you're easily reachable within your workspace. Let's dive straight into the process. First, you'll want to open up Slack. Head over to the Slack website, which is your go-to destination for all things Slack related. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in. If you haven't already, use the sign in with Google option. This method keeps things straightforward and spares you from the hassle of remembering yet another password. Simply click, choose your Google account, and you'll be swiftly taken into your workspace. With Slack open, you'll land on your dashboard, an area brimming with channels, messages, and notifications. It's your command central in Slack. Now, to find your profile, navigate towards the top left corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture or avatar there. Go ahead and click on it to access your profile. Once you're on your profile page, it's time to take the next step. Keep an eye out for a small icon located at the top, which looks like 3 dots lined up vertically. This is your More Options button. Give that a click and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll have a few options at your disposal. What we're interested in is the Copy Link to Profile option. Click on it and voila. This action copies your profile link directly to your clipboard, ready for you to share as you please. There you have it, the link is now at your fingertips. You can paste this link into an email, a chat, or anywhere else you might need to share it. It's a simple but effective way to let others know where they can reach you on Slack. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip to enhance your Slack experience further. Make sure your profile is complete before sharing it. This includes updating your display picture, filling out relevant fields like your position or department, and including any contact information you're comfortable sharing. A well-rounded profile makes a strong impression. That's it for today's tutorial on sharing your Slack profile. It's a quick and easy process, but one that can make a big difference in how you connect and collaborate with others in your workspace. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment down below. Happy slacking!